Hey, what's up guys? Mopar4Life here, bringing you another video. Welcome to the channel on this beautiful Saturday afternoon in Southern California. It's been raining for a while, a long time, about 5 days. That's a lot of rain for Southern California, I'll tell you that. So a lot of catching up to do, especially with my plants right here. Growing some tomatoes over there, some herbs, just planted a cucumber over there. But that's not the story of today. Today, I got a special package in today. This was from Mira Safety. These are the CM6 tactical gas mask that I ordered back on, I think. Yes, I do want to apologize for that. I did say they were in today.
Alright guys, I guess it wasn't what I said it was. You know what I mean? It wasn't the Haz suits. Wait, it was the Haz suits. Wait a minute. Did somebody say suits? No, it wasn't the gas mask. Sorry about that.
Around February 28th, so it's been about a month and a half since I ordered them. This is the unboxing. I'm going to show you what they look like, so stay tuned. Package in today. A much anticipated package from Mira Safety, located in the city of Austin in Texas. I ordered this package about a month and a half ago, around February 27th, I believe. I ordered several things from them. I did think this package was the CM6 gas mask. However, I was totally wrong. I didn't. Now that I think about it, the package was kind of small, so I should have known better to think it was actually the gas mask. So my bad. I didn't mean to call it out there and say, hey, I'm getting the gas mask in right away. But nonetheless, I got something else to show you. Let's dig right into this box. Alright, so what I got here from Mira Safety is a box on some cardboard paper right on the top. Is a box of 2 Haz suits, technology for protection, utility, and comfort, as stated on the packaging here. This is the first package out of the box. What we got here, looks like it's been vacuum sealed, or kind of vacuum sealed. But this is definitely vacuum sealed packaging, so it must have something to do with it as far as quality goes. Maybe these last a little longer if they're vacuum sealed, but I'll find that out. In here we got some stickers from Mira Safety. Thank you. Talks about the warranty, returns and exchanges, the policy regarding that, how to connect with Mira Safety on the back, their address and such. So there's one package. Here's the other package here, labeled made in the USA, good old USA. Now this package here, I'm gonna put this down right next to the other package because there is a difference in these two packages here. The one on the right is obviously vacuum sealed, really nice and tight. Doesn't look like there's any air in there, so I'm pretty sure there's a reason behind that. But the one on the left, a lot of air in there. Now if I was going to store these away, for 20 years, then yeah, maybe that'd be an issue because things tend to degrade over time. Maybe quality is affected over time. But I will inquire with the company in regards to that. Nonetheless, I do have vacuum seal bags in the house. I do have a vacuum sealer that can get this bag vacuum sealed, so in my case I'm not really worried. But for people that don't have the option of doing that, that could be something I'd worry about. But so with that being said, oh, actually, when I look in the box, there is, you got your orders in there too, but there is a little pamphlet in there too. It talks about the Haz suit itself, the sizes it comes in, the tests that were performed on it, the durability, who it's used by, certifications, and also the make of where it was made, obviously in the USA. Inside the pamphlet, it'll give it talks about the benefits, the features, technical specifications, the test performed on it, uh, specific data pertaining to certain chemicals and stuff like that, the size guide. Obviously these are large. You can tell here they do hole punch the size right there, as you can see, large, extra large on the inside of the packaging. So say if you get like 2 different sizes and stuff like that, which is which. So that won't be an issue if you had to open one up. And then on the back of the pamphlet, proudly made in the USA. And then it talks about the typical applications and stuff like that. So there's a lot of good information that they do provide with this Hazmat and stuff like that. So I'll put that back in the box, just in case you're kind of wondering how it comes and stuff like that, how it's packaged. And like I said, the only issue was the package on the left hand side wasn't fully vacuum sealed. You know what I mean? So I will find out about that from the manufacturer, see how long it takes for them to email me back. Usually it's a couple days, but nonetheless, I will do that. And then so hopefully in a couple weeks or maybe a couple days, I will get confirmation of the CM6 gas mask coming in. And then I can post that, obviously, because that's what I thought this box was. But now, like I said, now I think about it, the box was kind of small. I wouldn't think the box would be that small if they were putting some gas mask in there. But I did open the box. I showed you what I got. These are the Mira Safety Hazmat, technology for protection, utility, and comfort, from Mira Safety out of Austin, Texas. That's the showing. This is Mopar4Life saying thank you for viewing. Remember, when you're out there, don't forget to wear your protection. Be safe at all times. Be cautious. Until my next video, peace out, guys. Feel this. For $250.
What? Ow. $250 for this.